Up.
Levitating droplet gives a
Stop.
magic visual effect for the people. The water droplet can stop in the air or go
Down.
upward and downward, or can be controlled
Slowly.
manually or by program.
Stop. Up. Okay.
Digital water curtain can display the words, logo and patterns by the falling water. Its working principle is similar to the true printer. Difference is that the water spray jet nozzles of digital water curtain cannot move. Instead, it uses groups of stationary solenoid valves. The printing paper is the space within the framework of the curtain. The paper comes out by gravity and software scan images line by line to complete the print of the image. Shapes of straight, arc or circular are available. Indoor and outdoor type are available. Pixel 40 and Pixel 80 per meter are available.